Welcome to this tutorial on how to make money with Revolut, a popular digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services. Revolut allows users to earn money through various methods, and in this guide, we will explore the different ways to do so. First, it is essential to understand the basics of Revolut and how it works. Revolut is a digital banking app that provides users with a debit card, currency exchange, and money transfer services. To start making money with Revolut, you need to sign up for an account and complete the verification process. One way to make money with Revolut is through their referral program. You can invite friends and family to join Revolut, and for each successful referral, you will earn a cash reward. The amount of the reward varies depending on the country and the type of account your referral signs up for. Another way to earn money with Revolut is through their savings feature, which allows you to earn interest on your savings. Revolut offers a range of savings accounts with competitive interest rates, and you can earn up to 1.35% interest per annum, depending on the account type and market conditions. Revolut also offers a feature called Revolut Trading, which allows users to buy and sell stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other investment products. You can make money by investing in these products, but keep in mind that investing always carries some level of risk. Additionally, Revolut has a feature called Stays, which allows users to earn cashback on their hotel bookings. You can book hotels through the Revolut app and earn up to 10% cashback on your booking. To maximize your earnings with Revolut, it is crucial to understand the terms and conditions of each feature and to use them wisely. For example, the referral program has some conditions that need to be met before you can earn the reward, and the savings feature has some requirements that need to be fulfilled to earn interest. In conclusion, Revolut offers a range of ways to make money, from referrals and savings to trading and cashback on hotel bookings. By understanding how each feature works and using them effectively, you can earn money with Revolut and take advantage of the benefits that the platform has to offer. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and to use the features responsibly to avoid any potential risks.